All right, this is a piece of corrugated polypropylene that I think will change the world. It is the essence of the LyteBeam Home design. Allows the home to be shipped as what we call a flat pack. So each of the wall blocks will ship flat like this, so you may have a stack this big. There are 3 different sizes of blocks, but they all fold together the same way. They're die cut, they're scored, so this is going to fold, up and down. So these then have an interlocking piece here that snaps through and locks. You bring this piece in, bring that piece in, fold it. These then snap down again. 1, 2. Those snap in. The same goes over here. Folds down. These fold over. And now we've taken a flat sheet of polypropylene, and now we have a structural piece that's rigid, waterproof, mold-proof, UV-proof, and flame retardant in it so that it won't catch on fire. It'll actually, if exposed to heat, may melt, but it's not going to burst into flames like wood will. These are the 3 sizes for LyteBeam Home's wall blocks. They are all the same 8 inches tall. They are wider at the bottom than they are at the top. And what that does is it allows when they stack and lock together that we have a drip edge here. So that keeps wind, that keeps rain, that keeps everything out. The material is all UV inhibited so that you aren't going to have any cracking or discoloration. And they also have flame retardant built in so that it's not going to burst into flames. It may melt if exposed to high heat and flame. It will melt, but it's not going to burn. These are the main sizes of building block that make up most of the walls. These have a filler for where the windows go in. There's a way that we don't have to put in full-size windows. And that's what these do, is they allow us to have 3 different sizes of windows. And also then this also takes care of filling in where the doorway is. So it allows us to use standard size windows, standard size doors, and then we custom make then the widths of these blocks to fill that.